Hi everyone, this is George, back with another video, doing an unboxing video of the Phillips series 3000. Okay, this is the unboxing of the product now, so here we go. I'm just going to slide it out. Okay, right, so we got the charger, the razor, and the instruction pamphlet as well, and the cover for it as well after when you shave. Okay, I'm just gonna pull it out now just to show it. So it's in its cup case. There you go. So it's so it's black and red around it, and it's a bit nice red, and it's got the flip up thing. Yeah, so yeah, it looks much better as like my other one perhaps, you know. So I've got the same one like this one, but it's a blue version of it, you know. It's got 3 blades at the top as well, you know, and this is where you flip up the thing inside to take off the there and clean out the you know. Okay, and that's it then. So and this is the fast charging travel charger. You can use it in different countries as well, and you can get adapter for UK adapter as well for it as well. And that's it. And then an easy instruction manual as well, and alright, and that's it then. So okay, so thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget the bell icon until you know when the next video drops. Thank you.